The Michael Jackson movie. Yeah.
Yo, CPT and the world, it's your boy Oasis and welcome back to the Lounge. You know it's going to be a fire episode again today. We're just going to follow on from what we've been doing and we're going to keep it going. So I got my boy SeboNK all the way from Wilmington. He's been making fire music, you know, so he recently dropped a tape by the name of Cosa Nostra. So I'm just going to let you explain, like bro, the name, it really catches me. So how did you get the name?
Okay, so basically the name is from my obsession with the mafia and, you know, things of that nature. So basically, like in the mafia, they refer to each other as Cosa Nostra. So once you become inducted and you are part of the La Familia, then we refer to you as Cosa Nostra. So I took that and I put a young local twist to it. I call it Cosa Nostra because I'm a Xhosa man. And when we undergo the becoming a man ritual and go to the bush, we come out and we are connected by what it is that we did there. So I just wanted to, call it Cosa Nostra. It's a family thing.
It's a family thing.
Yeah.
Alright. So what kind of music would I expect on the stage, bro? Like, am I expecting switch ups or is it like a constant flow of just pure, constant, conscious rap? You know? Is there gonna be a change up? Is there gonna be what's on the stage, bro?
Basically it's my take on hip hop, So I like to tell stories and I like to be conscious, but on this one I took a little twist and I was conscious over trap beats since that's what's hot in the streets and now maybe since the dopes are trappy and they dope, it'll actually make people listen to the stories that I have to tell. Bro,
that is a new one for me. Some trap stories gonna be told, some conscious trap stories gonna be told. Hope y'all don't get caught in that trap. Bro, what do you think of the SA game at this point in time?
As the whole country?
As the whole country. It's everywhere. For the music game.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Nah, definitely, SA has some dope artists, man. We're actually pushing and doing our thing. SA hip hop has taken some time to grow over the years, but right now I think we are right up there with the international niggas, we got the A-Reeses, the Nasty C's that are doing all these collabs with international artists. So that's really dope, and not just hip hop wise, but we got that we got that house, we got that jazz. So honestly, SA
be popping. SA be popping. Nah, I feel you there, bro. I also agree upon that, Sinjay. And then if I filter it down to Cape Town, what do you think of the game in Cape Town? How do you think you can make your trade or your mark in Cape Town?
First of all, I just need people to actually listen. And one thing that I know about Cape Town since having lived here my whole life is that we have artists for days, but at the same time it's almost such a small industry because not that many of us are quite out there. And I guess my boy Youngster's doing his thing, I knew the nigga before all this fame-ish, so I'm really happy to see him out here, Patty Monroe doing them things. But yeah, man, Cape Town definitely has come a long way and we have, a young long way to go. But yeah.
Nice, bro. I do believe there's a lot of growth in Cape Town that can still happen. I do believe that there is so much more opportunities in Cape Town that can be opened, but the doors are still shut, since so if you find the plug, bro, don't forget to send them my way. Don't forget, Sinjay. So what do you think of this platform, bro? Do you think this could help other artists grow?
Yeah, for real. This EMPTV setup is a real nice, intimate, setup. And the thing is, in this day and age with the social media, I feel like people want to see more of you than they want to hear, and then after they see you and see you doing your thing, then now they will follow the links and download. So really big ups for this platform.
Bro, I appreciate it, bro. It's good having good artists on the show as well, but people that put in the time and the work to make sure they get right, Sinjay. So, bro, we're gonna let you perform a track, bro. What is the name of the track you're gonna perform?
The track is titled Wavy.
Wavy.
And you basically gonna hear about it in a second.
Nice though, but yeah, the track is wavy. That is very ironic because he's in Cape Town, close to the waves. Now he's not just staying wavy, out here doing his thing, out Cape Town. So you best believe the nigga's gonna kill a track for you now. He's gonna perform it. He's gonna make it feel fire. Wavy. So, bro, where would I find you? Like, if I look for you, I need to find you. Where would I find you?
You can get me on all platforms, you know what I'm saying? Just Google SeboNK, no space, just one word. But you'll get me on SoundCloud at SeboNK, Twitter at SeboNK. I don't like really Instagram, but you can get me on Insta at Nkomana Sebo, you know, Young Twist there. And then I'm also on, I'm on Dataphile Host. You can get my project from there, as well as Slicker on Live. But yeah, just like Google a nigga and you'll see the cyber footprint come up.
The cyber footprint come up. Just Google the nigga and his cyber footprint will come up. So, bro, we're gonna let you perform now. I hope you kill it. I'm excited to see what you got to do. And for the rest of the world, I'm excited. And I hope you're excited. So, let's do this. Your boy Oasis, and we out.
Look at my shit. Look how full it is. Look at the round nose, big nice ass lips. You're damn right I'm black. Look at the profile. Look.
Way wavy. All of my bitches too wavy. All of my niggas too wavy. Hit up the spot and get crazy. Light up the sheesh and get hazy. Pour up the sip and get faded. My niggas lit, we ain't playing. All of my niggas too wavy. I said way wavy. All of my bitches too wavy. All of my niggas too wavy. Hit up the spot and get crazy. Light up the sheesh and get hazy. Pour up the sip and get faded. My niggas lit, we ain't playing. All of my niggas too wavy. I said way wavy. All of my bitches too wavy. All of my niggas too wavy. Hit up the spot and get crazy. Light up the sheesh and get hazy. Pour up the sip and get faded. My niggas lit, we ain't playing. All of my niggas too wavy. I said way wavy. All of my bitches too wavy. All of my niggas too wavy. Hit up the spot and get crazy. Light up the sheesh and get hazy. Pour up the sip and get faded. My niggas lit, we ain't playing. All of my niggas too wavy. I said crazy. All of these bitches too crazy. All of these niggas too lazy, fugazi, slay queens too shady. But there's a slim chance I'ma get me one with a slim waist and a black thong. These hoes Nintendo, they go everywhere like a Game Boy. The Lord couldn't save me, 90s pop culture raised me. Ain't got time for beef, you know skeets. Just like a Muslim bro, you won't eat. And I'm hella wavy. I got money in the basement. Call me Chapo, call me Escobar. I'm Walter White the chemist. I said way wavy. All of my bitches too wavy. All of my niggas too wavy. Hit up the spot and get crazy. Light up the sheesh and get hazy. Pour up the sip and get faded. My niggas lit, we ain't playing. All of my niggas too wavy. I said way wavy. All of my bitches too wavy. All of my niggas too wavy. Hit up the spot and get crazy. Light up the sheesh and get hazy. Pour up the sip and get faded. My niggas lit, we ain't playing. All of my niggas too wavy. I said